Here's something really interesting about React and how it works. So over here, we have this app component, we have an isScrollable state variable, and then if that is true, we're going to render the content under the scrollable component. Otherwise, if it's false, we're just going to render the content directly. Now, if at any point isScrollable changes, for example, if you call this function over here, whatever content was currently rendered on the screen is actually going to get remounted completely from scratch instead of re-rendered. Which means that if you had state in that component, for example, like we have here, we have this count state variable over here. If you had state, that variable would get reset every single time that isScrollable changes. So here's the code running so that you can see what I'm talking about. I can increment the count and it's incrementing, but as soon as I toggle scrollable, we get a new content component and the count is reset. I can increment again, I toggle scrollable, and the count is lost again. You have to be careful with this because it can actually lead to some very hard to debug bugs, but now you know.